Dougie, you told me he been on some positive. Yeah. Lately, I just wanna show up my body to. Yeah. Always been a little mathematician. Lately, it's cash again. Got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving too fast. Hard times don't last. Remember when cops are rats talking out my. Boy, you ain't with a badge. All my life, they been trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out. No, no, no. All my life, they been trying to keep me down. I decided I had to finish, but the media called me a menace. I just said with the men politicians, I'm gonna change the image. You can't blame my past no more, I come from the trenches. Some said I'd never be a superstar, but I know I'm different. I'm a voice, the system ain't give me a choice.
That's not supposed to.
I know a fella who's
I
trying
don't know how
to
people
avoid.
are in this field, no law enforcement.
For a visit, I'm going to court. Went to jail, they was chaining me up. And you know that I'm famous as. See how you gon' joke about stimulus, but they really ain't came in the clutch. I know some kids wanna hurt themselves. Stop trying to take drugs, I refer to myself.
Man,
Trying to better myself, trying to better my health. But
I hope he kills himself. Bad driver right there. Yep.
trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out.
Boy.
No, no, no. All my life, they be trying to keep me down. First generation ghetto, whole world, hello. Made out the city with my head on straight. Keep the let out. Yo, to the pill, gotta get out. Did I spit out? Cheat code like I'm facing a Rico, and I put a hit out. And another one, and another one. I got like 100 of them by the left. So they think they're ahead of me, but I'm really in front of them now. Some of them, they bad. Remember the little quotes that they had. A reminder to humble yourself. Cause we going in an instant. Me, I'm running long distance. All distance, fine. I've been slipping through me, retired, and feeling like I'm just not hitting my prime. These days, see rappers be dying way before they even getting they shine. I never even heard of little buddy. So somebody murder little buddy. Now I'm on the phone searching little buddy name. Gotta play the songs all day in my room. Thinking, damn, wicked to get their names buzzing. Some just gotta go lay in a tomb. And media thirsty for clicks. I got a new rule. If you ain't never posted a rapper when he was alive, you can't post about him after they get hit. It's simple. It's the principle. On any tempo, I'm invincible. Don't even rap, I just fit to you. I'd rather that than an interview. Most days, small niggas going through phase. Young about the whip like road rage. I pray all of my dogs stay so paid. And the only thing to kill them is old age. All my life, they be trying to keep me down.
Yeah, it's an animal, right?
All this time,
That was a dog.
never thought I'd make it
These
out.
dogs lose. Yep.
No, no, no. All my life, they be trying to keep me down.
Tim McGraw's tuning up his guitar to entertain you next. Miguel, Kane Brown, and Lil Wayne will close out opening night of our 2023 iHeartRadio Music Festival. Streaming live right now on Hulu.
All the way live from our iHeartRadio Music Festival, only on Star 1013.
Live from Las Vegas, you're listening to our 2023 iHeartRadio Music Festival. Let's see what's going on backstage in the Audible Lounge.
Alrighty now, it's definitely going down. Our iHeartRadio is definitely 2023 Music Festival. Ladies and gentlemen, it is your partner, Big Boy. I'm in the Audible Lounge right now with Lil Durk. What up, dog?
What's up? How you feeling?
I'm feeling amazing, brother. How are you feeling?
I feel good, man. I feel excellent.
As you should. You're like cloud 10,000 right now, huh?
Yeah, we just left the Doolittle community service. They gave me the braces, man.
I like to be
yeah, man,
me.
they gave me this one today, brother. That's
Yeah,
a big boy right there. This is one of one. This is one of one right there.
Get down.
Well, you can't get one that's
say big boy, but I make you want to say dirt. You know what I'm saying? Man, 2023 has been a hell of a year for you so far, bro. And it seemed like it's just climbing. What has been that highlight this year?
Approaching a railroad
I
crossing.
cherish the moment. You know what I'm saying? I say goals, but on the way to the goals, like a lot of moments that I didn't have or moments that I really be.
Are you enjoying it a lot more right now?
I love it, man. I'm more in the happy space. I'm here. I'm here.
You know what? I can tell though, man, because you got to think you got such a vast career already. Catalog is amazing. And then when we kind of look into the right, you come from the left and hit us with another beautiful one, bro.
I got some more too, man.
I heard. You know what I'm saying? I heard. But with just what you're doing right now, bro. Of course, we're in Las Vegas. Do you have any rituals, or what do you do when you come to Las Vegas? Are you one of those that gamble, hide in the room?
No, I really be to myself a lot. You know what I'm saying? Because I try to stay out of the way. I try to stay ducking harm way, ducking the BS.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? I'm just so focused right now that I just wanna work right now.
Hey man, if you're gonna take the stage tonight, what do you listen to while you're getting ready? Either for a show, getting ready for, take a drive. What do you listen to?
I listen to a lot of artists. I listen to that old Lil Wayne.
Yes, sir.
Carter.
If I worked at the Valet and you pulled up and I jumped into your car, aside from our genre, what would be something I would sit there and say, man, Dirk listening to this?
But you can't say that because it's like I'm gonna pull up playing King Von.
I saw you wilding out at that Taylor Swift concert when they showed that video of you too. You know what I'm saying? He was out there going crazy. I was like, man, this dude is a Taylor Swift. He is a Swiftie. Go ahead and check us out, man. Hashtag iHeart Festival 2023. I appreciate you, my brother. Always a pleasure to see you, man. I love to see you continue to win, man, too. And I know the surprise I should just say, but I'm not gonna burn you up like that. All right, y'all continue to hang out with us. Your partner, Big Boy Dirk. Hello.
Let's get it.
Audible, originals, podcasts, and more. Be transported by extraordinary stories like the Audible Original Breakthrough. Hashtag iHeartXAudible. You're checking out our 2023 iHeartRadio Music Festival. Live from T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas. Hashtag iHeartFestival 2023. Check out the live stream on Hulu.
Hey guys, it's Kevin Bacon. My podcast, 6 Degrees with Kevin Bacon, is out now. Join me as I kick back with the likes of Mark Ruffalo, Matthew McConaughey, Jewel, and many more as we talk about their favorite nonprofits doing amazing good in the world, highlighting some of the most pressing social issues of our time.
You know, I found myself moving upstate in the middle of this fracking fight, and it's happening all around me. So I'm no longer like a guy on the sidelines. I'm like in the middle of it, and I'm trying to raise kids there. And my neighbor's like willing to poison my water.
What an equal opportunist misery is. It doesn't care if you're black or white or rich or poor or famous or homeless. If you were raised in misery systems, it's perpetual.
This is the time to get the young men and women that if they're on the wrong track, help them on the right track. If they're on the right track, let's help them double down on that and see the opportunity to stay on the right track.
Okay, I need to freaking charge his phone again. Oh. I hate how it's not charging. Like, what is going on with this phone? I'm getting kind of sick of that. I'm not even kidding.